What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alex, and today we are going to install some Novsight 4-inch LED ditch lights that I picked up from Novsight. We're going to pair these up with some Z1 Offroad ditch light brackets that I picked up from Z1 Offroad for my 2023 Nissan Frontier Pro X. I think these lights will fit perfect for the Pro X. They are the X series lights. We're gonna go ahead and unbox the lights. We're gonna throw them on. We're gonna connect them. We're gonna see what they look like, and if I like them, I'll go ahead and do, the cleanliness of zip tying and running the wire through the firewall. Just an FYI, I am not sponsored by Novsight. I did pick these up with my own money. Maybe one day we can collab, but I was able to get a discount code for you guys if you're interested in picking some up. I will leave the discount code down in the description. It will help out the channel. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here we got the X series lights. I mean, they look badass. I'll go over some details. I know there's 3 different light modes. You have the white, amber, daylight running lights, and then you have the full off-road function. They come with covers. They have some good weight to them. They feel very sturdy. Have the Novsight stamping. And again, we're going to pair these up with the Z1 Offroad ditch light brackets. So let's throw these on, turn them on, and see what they look like. We got the brackets here. I know there's a lot of different places you can pick some of these for the Nissan Frontier. I think CBI Offroad offers some. CA Tuned, I think, has some. And Rough Country, but I think I don't have to do any trimming with these, so let's go ahead and throw them on. Alright, so we got the lights up here on the truck. Just finished up mounting up the brackets. They look pretty good. I think I did a good job. I think so. You definitely want to have someone help you hold the hood, because it did kind of shift on me, right? I wasn't expecting that to happen, so I had my wife come out here and help me. But these are the brackets. Check to make sure the alignment on the hood wasn't off or anything like that. It looks good now, so all we're gonna do is just mount these babies up here, and then wiring them to the battery. I don't have an aux beam panel. I don't have anything that I can attach these to. Based on other videos I've seen, there is some sort of safety. I don't know what it's called, so excuse me if I'm not using the right terminology. But if it happens to short or something, it is protected. So these are the wires. I'm going to wire them directly to the battery. Turn them on. I'm going to assume, without looking at the instruction manual, that you just kind of have to match up the colors. So first, let's attach the brackets that it came with. Put them on there, and then plug them in. That it came with. This is the thing that I was talking to you about, that in case there's any shortages, it will short this out instead of messing with any of the fuses in my truck. So pretty basic, negative, positive, and then just making sure that the colors match when wiring these to the actual pod lights. And then it has 3 settings, amber, white, and then I think full power. But I'll go over that once I get these connected. All right, so I just connected the harnesses to the battery, and then I'm going to turn on the truck, and then I'm going to see if they work. Check out all the settings. Maybe I'll remove the covers. And again, I like it so far. Later on, I'm just going to clean up and zip tie and kind of run it across and make it look nice and flush. So let's go ahead and turn them on. All right, everyone. So just got everything done. I went ahead and zip tied everything because I did like the way they looked. I'm going to turn them on. I'm going to show you the different modes. Just so you know, they do have the cover on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one off so you can see the difference. But with the cover ons, here's the first setting. It's the white, has the white X, and then we also have the amber X, and then final third mode is like the full mode. So this is what they look like with the cover on. I'm going to turn them off, and then I'm going to take the cover off. It's kind of hard to do since I'm using one hand, but I actually like the way that they look without the cover on. So this is the difference. So I'm going to turn them on again. So we have the white X, then we have the amber X, and then we have the full. So they both look pretty cool. Very bright. It's kind of hard to tell in the video. Again, I actually like the way they look without the covers, but I think having the cover-ons will match the Raptor lights that I have on my grill. Off and back on. X, yellow, and then full. Alright, that's it, everybody. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you guys have any questions on the install or on the lights themselves, feel free to comment down below. I'm pretty happy with them. I was kind of scared that they were going to look too big, which they kind of do, but I kind of like that look. It gives it more that aggressive look. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.